inkosi lekwazi abantu yatiyatsinwa sikhephelene senyatsi mlebe sinjengesibhejane yezonyoni sidle madoda kodwa sinathe mandi usile mhomza wendlovu semsaseni ihomza kangwane bangengadi iphuma ngamakhala dladla sembube simnyama simazima imambala siyesanyathela lapha ezulwini ICC kwaye kwavela kumengemenge kuye kwavela ezulwini iphalazo leshiye bomongameli base-Afrika babambonge phasi umlomo basale bemabodwa babuthana bathi ngabe mbani lonjinela lonemuqiko lokungaka sibatshelile sathi munye lodungandaba e-Afrika wina bemahlasela nge-agape la abela amanye amakhosi bekahlasela ngentijozi nangetiyeme akube kuhle nkosi yemhlaba umnyama yesabe wina waphakathi ayethe
Ndlovukazi emakhosikazi bantu babenkosi ndvunankulu emabandla kweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu isekela la ndvunankulu tindvuna tembuso baqondzisi netindlu totimbili teparlamente labamele ebamve kuleli lobu kwesigodi salapha kamanzini timenywa letibalulekile emaphoyisa lobuke emaphoyisa nabo bonke labangemaqhuzu nani nonke amaphoyisa nani nonke bekunene sindvusela kakhulu kumathapha amaphoyisa.
Emakhosikazi, Your Royal Highnesses, Honorable Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both Houses of Parliament, Manzini Regional Administrator, National Commissioner of Police, visiting police chiefs, all ranks of Eswatini Police Service, police officers present, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here at Matapa Police Academy.
Bekunene kuyinjabulo ukuthi nangivusela amaphoyisa nalokho bekusiphathamisa ngale ngesheya sesiyabona ukuthi cha sekuya ngekuya sekubuya eOrden.
Police, it is a joy to be here today on the Police Day celebration. And what was disturbing, as we were seeing from afar, we are happy to see that it has been contained and under control.
Siyathumisa kakhulu ukuthi umsebenzi lo omuhle awonakali njengoba sibonile nje ukuthi kuyimvokodo lenkulu ukuthi namhla sibuthenela Matapa Police Academy la khona sitobona lona langa lemaphoyisa la khona emaphoyisa atokhomba buphoyisa even ukuthi enda kanjani ebekunene.
Police officers, it is a joy that it did not destroy today's occasion. That's why we are honored to join you today to commemorate the 23rd Police Day edition and the 119 years of police existence in the kingdom. This occasion sets for the recognition of the dedication, professionalism, and sacrifice of the men and women of the Royal Eswatini Police Service.
Sithatha lithuba unemukela nonke namuhla bekunene lenikhona netihlobo tonke letitosekela onke amaphoyisa. Sithathe nelithuba nalababuya ngaphandle labafaka ekhathi police chiefs labuya khona ku region laba bone kukuhle kuthi nabo babe ingcenye yalomkhosi nalawo maphoyisa labahamba nawo. Sithi bonke abativele bemukelekile eSwatini bekunene.
May I take this opportunity to welcome all that have gathered here together to be with us on this auspicious occasion. May I particularly extend a warm welcome or special welcome to all the police chiefs from the region that have taken their time to come here and gather with us and bless us and celebrate with us this auspicious occasion, and their delegation that have come from afar and wide to join us today on this wonderful occasion.
Maphoyisa asisho ukuthi lilanga lanamuhla live lonke libonile umsebenzi wemaphoyisa uthi nakawusebenta eveni eSwatini bawusebenta kanjani maphoyisa.
Police, today you have indeed demonstrated to the entire nation your continuous commitment to the work that is given unto you to protect the nation. And today you have demonstrated that you are indeed ready for the task and always in readiness for each and every task of your duties.
Kube intokozo lenkulu namuhla niphinze njoba libe khona leliphoyisa lapha lelini lidile likhombisa ukuthi nithatha sifungo njalo ngoba ngelanga liphoyisa lithatha sifungo asiphele isifungo uze ayongena lapha phansi solo aqhubeka asathi sifungo sewe ukuthi kuba bophoyisa kuye maphoyisa.
Police, we were pleased today to see one of you presenting and saying the code of conduct, which is what you should always work on, and each and every day you remember the oath that you saw in front of the nation and continue to carry it out in the nation for the better performance of your duties, officers.
Kube intokozo lenhle kuva ukuthi umsebenzi lenwendako niwusebenta ngelithando lolu lakaNkulunkulu lelingakhethi lolu njani lolu sinaka unikeda lelo lithando njengoba sifunza kuNkulunkulu sonke silwende ngalokufanele nangalokuphelele iagape love ukuthi siyathokoza kuva ukuthi umsebenzi lenwendako niqhubisa niqhuba lolo thando maphoyisa.
Police, we applaud your continuous jobs and work as you conduct your services, that you continue to show the nation and perform your duties with love, which is agape love, the love of God, showing the nation that you do perform your duties with the love of the nation and everybody in the country. We commend that, officers.
Maphoyisa kumqoka nembala kukhombisa sive ukuthi emaphoyisa akasiso sitha sesive emaphoyisa angona la niketa luthando angona labona ukuthi umthetho uqhubeka uba khona eveni wonke umuntu atokwadi ukuthi abe nenhlala kahle njengoba namuhla nje nikhombisile ukuthi umsebenzweni lenwendawo uhambelana nesimo lesinjani maphoyisa.
Police officers, it is pleasing to see that you continue to work in partnership with the community and continue not to be enemies, but incorporate yourselves in the community to show the nation that we are one. You continue to foster and maintain peace and security in the country, radiating your love for the nation and your continuous commitment to serving the nation.
Maphoyisa nembala umsebenzi wenu uyabonakala ukuthi muhle kakhulu eveni ngoba na ubuka bugebengu eveni tinombolo tiyevakala ukuthi tehlile kakhulu ebugebengweni lokubonala ukuthi lokubonalisa ukuthi kuphathamisa impilo tebantu lese kusele sengiko lekubonala konje ukuthi lokhanza sakwe ukuthi imindeni ngilapho khona bugebengu busukuma khona emaphoyisa.
Police officers, we have noted that as crime trends change and increase in the country, you are there always to maintain and try and eradicate crime in the nation. That's why we thank you today for your continuous efforts to continue to fight crime in the nation.
Maphoyisa lokuhle ukuthi niyasithatha sigaba sekuthi nani maphoyisa nifundzisa live umthetho bantu kubakhomba indlela ukuthi indlela kufanele kuphiliswane kanjani kungilokuhle lokho ngoba lo sesibona nje ukuthi behlile nebugebengu kuyabonakala ukuthi tinhlelo lendibambako emiphakathini emimangweni emadolobheni ngidodonke tindzawo tiyabonakala ukuthi leti fundzisako ukuthi sibantu sifanele sihlale siphilelana ngaso sonke isikhathi maphoyisa.
Police officers, it is pleasing to note that you continue to be ambassadors and show the entire nation on how they should live, and you continue to capacitate them on the latest crime trends, working with the communities in the chiefdoms and creating campaigns all across the country that capacitate the nation on how they should stay away from crime, police officers.
Se kungaba ukukhuthata wonke umsebenzi lenwendawo maphoyisa ukuthi lelizinga lebugebengu la likhona khona lehlile silimaintain sifune nendlela ukuthi bugebengu singabucetha njani nje totally eSwatini kubalwe ukuthi ugebengu sekwaphela nembala kepha ngekonke lokho kuba ngiyo unity emaphoyisa ibonalisa ukuthi njengoba nayo ayisebenzi yodwa inebe judiciary lesebenza nabo ubambisana lokukhulu kumqoka kakhulu lapho live litoze lihlale liphephile emaphoyisa.
Police officers, we continue to applaud your efforts to decrease crime in the country. We one day want to see a nation that is free of crime, as you continue to work with other stakeholders, the judiciary and other stakeholders, to make sure that you come together in partnership and eradicate crime together so that the nation maintains free crime and is secure and the safe environment of the nation, police officers.
Maphoyisa siyathokoza ukuthi etinhlelweni tenu siyeva ukuthi na kunalabaswele nalabanjani labasekuleyo nkinga niyafika nine nibe khona nisondzele kibo kutokwati kubasita kubabambisa kuleso sehlakalo labakiso lokubonalisa ukuthi nembala umsebenzi wemaphoyisa aza usebente kahle ufuneka ngesikhathi sonke asondzele siveni sive sithi nasibone amaphoyisa sibone batali sibone bonke konke kuphila uthi konke lokho kuyadumisa kakhulu umsebenzi lenwendawo maphoyisa.
Police officers, we would also like to applaud your continuous commitment and your diligent work with the community as you not only continue to concentrate on just normal police work, but you are seen helping the destitute in the community, and also you are seen helping and building certain houses so that those who are destitute are able to have a good life. That's why today we thank those efforts that you continue to lift the profession up and make sure that all the people in the nation are safe and secured police officers.
Nasibona nemaphoyisa lamasha lama vela bonalisa ukuthi ayakhula nawo ngoba inango kubonalisa ukuthi uqala usesemusha yoba sibone nje amaphoyisa lamasha kusasa lapha afola afunza ngebuphoyisa ukuthi buphoyisa buyini kuba into lenhle leyo bantu babone ukuthi emaphoyisa yinto lenhle yinto lenakelela sive sihlale kahle yoba nasibona nalaba labasha nje bakhomba nabo batifanekisa nemaphoyisa lamadzala kukhomba kona ukuthi bayabona ukuthi cha lo nyawo lenihamba ngalo lungelo kakhulu ngoba umuntu wonke ufuna kwenda into lenhle lebonala ko emangweni emaphoyisa.
Police officers, we would like to applaud you and applaud the new officers that we have seen here today, demonstrating radiant drills here today at this occasion, learning from the yesteryear's officers that have long served, and they are seen to be learning from them, and we know that they will continue the same baton to creating a safe environment for the nation. We thank you, officers, that you continue to look at these officers as your role models to present the police profession at the highest degree, police officers.
Maphoyisa lo msebenzi leni usebenzako webuphoyisa ubandi umkhulu uyesabeka kepha ke unebungoti futhi kepha lokuhle ukuthi nadinikela nanisuka emakhaya nibonalisa ukuthi nito joina iforce yemaphoyisa nadinikela ukuthi nasengenelelo umsebenzi nawenda konke lekubonalisa ukuthi nembala nani betwa duty njengamaphoyisa ni performe kube bete lapho kutawusoleka khona ukuthi angendi kahle ngoba la nikhona khona esikhatsini sonke senu sewe ukuthi la nisebenza khona kube impumelelo yodwa namaphoyisa.
Police officers, we also thank you that you continue to remain in your oath of office to maintain your good conduct of always maintaining policing in the country without fear or favor. We also thank you, officers, that even in difficult situations, as we know that the profession has times where there's dangerous circumstances and life-threatening, but you are seen officers always maintaining your commitment and doing a good work in always maintaining, working with integrity, and always not fearing, but always courageous on the oath that you took when you took this job.
Maphoyisa uyathokozisa ukuthi esikhatsini sonke emsebenzini wendawo niyaqhubeka nitinikete lwati ngebuphoyisa ngoba kumqoka ukuthi emaphoyisa lapho nakhona umsebenzi la kawendawo lwati lwawo lube sedulu futhi likhone nekuhambisana nalesikhathi sekuthi simo lenihlangabetana naso sikhanye ukuthi nine la ningona khona nani nikiso leso sigaba sekuthi noma ngasimo lesinjani ndawukhona kusisebenta leso simo live liqhubeke liphile sive sonke sijabule maphoyisa.
Police officers, we are also glad to see that you continue to capacitate yourselves with the right skills in order to be relevant in being able to combat the contemporary crimes that exist in our society. We thank you, officers, that this capacitation will help you to continue to fight cybercrime and related crimes in order to make sure that the nation remains safe and free from those crimes.
Fitness yenu iyabonakala maphoyisa ukuthi cha nembala ningeyiwo maphoyisa labonala ngoba na ubonalisa ukuthi uyangena ubaliphoyisa 24/7 ude isikhathi sekucimbela inzeka ukuthi hawu namhla ngiphumlile utawubuya titshulo kukhuluphaletisi kube njeyana kubonalise ukuthi noma sekusuka night duty fanele kusetshenzwe kukanzalise ukuthi awusisuthi simnanzi kwathi ukuthi 24/7 nisejuthini uliphoyisa ukuyuniform uliphoyisa ungekho kuyuniform into lenhle kakhulu lela maphoyisa.
Police, we would like to recommend you, as you have demonstrated today, of your highest level of fitness. As a police officer needs to be fit at all times so that they can be able to perform their duties. As the job that you do is a job that you do 24/7, you will be called on any time to perform your duties. And here you have demonstrated that you are indeed fit to perform those duties. The police is not supposed to be seen eating everything out of the balanced diet, because he would not be able to perform his duties in and off uniform. You must be ready 24/7 at all times to perform your duties, police officers.
Sibonile nemqondo ukuthi flexible ngoba i-coordination yetindvo natendeka dikhomba ukuthi nanisebenta ni-force ni-team nonke nisebenta ni-team nisebenta kanye kanye konke leni kwenda kanye kanye mistake yamunye ku-destabilizer wonke lo msebenzi leni wendako kepha-ke kubonalisele ukuthi ama-drills ama-performances leni wendile la abonakele ukuthi abe well coordinated abonalisa ukuthi i-team spirit isetulu kakhulu lokufunekako nembala emaphoyiseni maphoyisa.
Police, we have witnessed here flexibility as you perform the beautiful drills that you performed here today, which shows that you work together as a team, and always when you do the drills, we would see that you are coordinated, and indeed this is admirable, as police are always supposed to be seen working together hand in hand That is essential, police officers, for that you will be able to win and always be doing your jobs good and have a high performance and be effective in your daily duties, police officers.
Siyabonga ke maphoyisa ukuthi ingxenye yema trainings lenemdako nemhlaba neAfrica nemhlaba iyajikijela esivivaneni kungako nje sesibona nani nibonakala nanga lamanye amaphoyisa lapha labonalisa ukuthi asaqeqeshiwe kude cyber security lebonala ukuthi seyibonala ukuthi njoba umhlaba so digital kulamalanga sekusebenta tonke letinto leseti advanced konke ke nebugebengu sekubhace lapha ku technology so kufanele ke ukuthi ke ma teams la kwema force nemaphoyiseni ibe khona i-team letawati kuhlala iku-analyze lokho siyathumisa ke kubona ema-team laphothuliwe kwabonala ukuthi nanawo asatawuqhubeka lolo lwati alwandise nembala kiwo onke emaphoyisa lapha kithi maphoyisa.
Police, we are thankful and we encourage the skills that we have seen today as we see that police officers continue to capacitate themselves in contemporary crimes and learning more about technology and cybercrime related crimes. We are thankful to see that you are learning with the different teams that we see here that have studied in different countries, showing that you continue to learn more and you are going to teach others in the organization of these skills that you have acquired in the different countries you have gone to in order to combat crime, police officers.
Ne kubona maphoyisa ukuthi ema-unit naqhubeka nawakhulisa njengemaphoyisa le njengoba namuhla nje emkhathisini wethu sekunalamasha ema-unit le senwabonalisile ukuthi angetekile njengoba besathi ukuthi i-special force bekuyi-OS namuhla seningetekile sekune tactical team, response team, sekune SWAT team lesengetekile emkhathisini wamaphoyisa yonke leyo msebenzi leyo ikhomba kona ukuthi niyacabanga niyabuka simo selive ukuthi uphoyisa nizeni kwende kunele kuphelele yini lekufuneka nibohlale nikwenda yonke leyo msebenzi lena lesiyibonako leningetako siyayithumisa nekwe ukusho ukuthi laba be-tactical response team ne-SWAT team namuhla nayo seyibusisiwe njengoba befanele vele ibusisiwe ngakaqala umsebenzi emaphoyisa.
Police, we would like to applaud the expansion of units in the organization, especially the expansion of units of the special forces, as today we have witnessed the expansion of the operational support service unit, OSU, which has now the SWAT and tactical response team. This is a good innovation, officers. It demonstrates the growth in the organization, and thus today I bless the tactical response team today, officers.
Maphoyisa namuhla kuba intfokoto lenkulu kuthi live leSwatini limukele kuba sihlalo njengoba kunesihlalo semaphoyisa labonalisa ukuthi esigodini sakithi sesasebenza neSADC kubonalisa ukuthi na kuSADC ke maphoyisa nanawo abonalisa ukuthi ku region singabambisana njani ngebuphoyisa ngoba buphoyisa abugcini la eSwatini kuphela yonke le region sifanele sibambisane kuze yonke le region itohlala nekuthula itokhona nekusebenta kahle sive sihlale siphephile uthi kube imvokodo lenhle wewe uthi simukele namuhla kuba sihlalo saso lesigodzi se region ukuthi lo bonalisa ukuthi njoba la ngakithi sina National Commission uyena labonala ukuthi namuhla isigodi sibone kuhle ukuthi asisale siniketa bakangwane ukuthi kube ngibona labatawuqhuba lo msebenzi lona we region webuphoyisa maphoyisa.
Police officers, the Kingdom of Eswatini is pleased to assume the chairmanship of the Regional Police Organization, which is the Southern African Regional Police Chiefs Corporation Organization, SAPCO, as today we have witnessed the exchange of the baton given to the nation, as the SAPCO is an organization where police officers from the region, law enforcement agencies come together to combat crime in the region, and having this in our country is an honor, and we thank you officers that will continue to lift the Eswatini flag high as we take this chairmanship from the National Commissioner who has taken it today. We thank you officers.
Neku niketa tfologcina sona skotsi uthi live la kangwane livele liyathi imphanzakanya uthi liya qinisa nekugcizelela ukuthi lo mthwalo longaka isigotsi lesithwese live leSwatini ngaye lo National Commission liyakwenda konke lokufanele uthi lihlangabetane nato tonke tidzingeko taso sigotsi ukuthi wonke umsebenzi wesigotsi uhambe kahle nathi sithi nasiyiqhuba inzima siyiqhubele phambili konke umsebenzi ukhanziwe ukuthi la sifike khona sesiphakamise kakhulu maphoyisa.
Police, we would like to assure the region that as we take the chairmanship today, we will continue to lift up the flag and lift up all the duties that we are responsible for as we take this chairmanship. All the activities in the region, we will do them nobly and diligently, and always lifting up the flag of the region and making sure that when we hand over the baton that we have done this region proud, officers.
Maphoyisa elangeni namuhla live lonke nalo ntobonga emsebentini nekunikhuthaza maphoyisa esigabeni lenisendako usebenta ngekutinikela nangekutikhandla lokukhulu kubona sive ukuthi sihleti kahle imisebenzi yonke iyakhona kusebenteka kahle eveni ukuthi live lonke landumisa nekunikhuthaza nekunifaka emandla niqhubeke nibambe njoba nibambile maphoyisa live lakhile lithulile lihleti kahle yonke imisebenzi lekubonalisa ukuthi nani niyajikijela esivivaneni ukuthi kwendeke lokho sithi ke asithumise kakhulu kuyo yonke imisebenzi lenenda ko maphoyisa.
Police, we would like to commend all the good work that you continue to demonstrate and exhibit in the country as you continue to maintain peace and order and upholding the rule of law fairly and fairly, and assuring the nation of your continuous commitment to your profession. And all these efforts bring to about the peace and security of the nation. Police.
Maphoyisa nembala noma live litobonga phindze nalo litonika itatfu locina esigabeni setinhlelo tonke temaphoyisa nenhlala kahle kwekuthi live leSwatini lawuchubeka lenisekele kiyo yonke imsebenzi leniyendako nema plans nako konke lekubonalisa ko master plan lebonala ukuthi solo nayi polisha kuze le unit police force eSwatini ichubeke inhlondlobale ikhule ekakhulu maphoyisa.
Police officers, we would like to commend you on the continuous work that you do in the society, in creating a safe environment in the society. And here, police officers, we would like to encourage you to continue expanding the Operational Support Service Unit. As it expands, it also reassures the nation and lifts the standard of policing in the country, police officers.
Maphoyisa lokhu kufaka nekhatsi kubuka netinombolo temaphoyisa wekuthi tihlale tikhula njoba nesive siyakhula netinombolo temaphoyisa tiyakhula lamanye kuyafika kukhanye wenza uNkulunkulu sobonile ukuthi sevile lijaya noma loyo make ku-unit sesikhathi naye asala chubeka ayezulwini kubonakise ukuthi nalabanye sekufika ukuthi bathole umhlala phansi bese netinombolo sethamba tibonakisa ukuthi setiyancipha tinombolo temaphoyisa ukuthi ke kutokwati ukuthi ipolice force iqhubeka isebenze kahle kumqoka nokuthi recruitment le bonalisa ukuthi le batawufika bakhona ukuthatha kulabo labazala bafunze bamunye nanayo ivele endiwe ukuthi nje kuhlethe umasinyane utabe kubukwa ukuthi emaphoyiseni uthathwe masinyane nakhona ubonalise ukuthi itongedwa le force emaphoyisa maphoyisa.
Police, as the nation's population increases, there is need for an increase in the number of police officers in the country, and in that accord, to increase the number of police officers, because at times, as you are an older officer in the organization, you reach a time where you have to retire, and thus there are gaps that need to be filled. And we would like to announce today that recruitment exercises are there to make sure that these gaps are filled. And this year we are grateful to, and also to inform the nation that recruitment exercising will be following shortly.
Maphoyisa loku nembala kuphindze kufake nekhatsi njoba bangibikele emaphoyiseni le ukuthi letinye kuletigaba letibonalisa ukuthi nisebenza ngato labanye sebathola umhlala phansi labanye njoba bese ngichazile kubese kuvuleka netikhala ke emaphoyisa le namuhla ngibone kukuhle ukuthi leto tikhala leto disale tivaleka nanato ngalabo lengidaninike tabona namhla maphoyisa.
Police, it is on that note today that the gaps that exist because of the retirement of certain officers who have reached the age of retirement, today I am going to bless and announce those that will fill those gaps here today, police officers.
Loku ke maphoyisa ufaka ekhathi bo assistant commissioner namuhla lengidawuba memeta lesendawuniketwa bona labasha maphoyisa usho ukuthi kutabana nombuso nzabanzaba ukwa Interpol useKenya njoba sikhuluma akekho lapha emkhatsini wethu usebenzela ku Interpol lapho akhona kuna Sikhumbuzo Gwebu, kuna Aaron Zwane, kuna James Motha, kuna Frank Hurube, kuna Wela Mlambo, kuna Patrick Matebula.
Today, officers, I will give you new assistant commissioners. One of them is Nombuso Nzabanzaba, who is currently in Kenya in the service of Interpol. We'll also have Sikhumbuzo Gwenya and Frank Hurube, Patrick Mabuza. All those that I have mentioned here today should come up forth, police officers.
Ngabuke laba bo assistant commissioner lesengibabusisile namuhla ingosi nibusise maphoyisa.
These are the new assistant national commissioners that I've blessed here today.
Lokuhle kubona kwekuse nalo vele anikhuzela lapha nangunaye umenyeti wakakhohlwakala shothi lonke libutho litawufaka emandla amaphoyisa.
It is a delight to see that the parade commander has been called today and also as the new assistant national commissioner.
Maphoyisa sigaba lesesilandzelako staba bo senior assistant commissioner lesengidawo babita njenganyalo maphoyisa. Ngufaka ekhatsi Zanele Nxumalo
I am now announcing the senior assistant commissioners, and our first senior assistant commissioner today is Zanele Nxumalo.
Ahlungiwe Hlatshwako Bongosi Dlamini Julius Lukele Richard Fagutse Fikele Pimtsetwa Dumisa Mdlana.
These senior assistant commissioners are Ahlungiwe Hlatshwako, Bongosi Dlamini, Julius Lukele, Richard Danka Fagutse, Fikele Pimtsetwa, Dumisa Mdlana.
Ngibo bo senior assistant commissioner lesengiba busisile namuhla bonke uNkulunkulu utawubabusisa emsebentini lesabawusithatha unamuhla.
Police, these are your new senior assistant commissioners that I am blessing here today, and may God bless them as they continue to do their work with diligence.
Maphoyisa sengidawubeka lesabataba bo assistant national commissioner lesabatawubusiswa kulelanga lanamuhla maphoyisa. Ngufaka ekhatsi Vusimuzi Gama Ndugu Lukhele, Sandile Mnisi, Skeshe Masego, Natabo Hlophe.
Police, I will now be announcing your new Assistant National Commissioners, and the following will now be blessed to be Assistant National Commissioners. That is Vusumuzi Mfanasibeli Gama, Ndugu Lukhele, Zandile Mnisi, Skeshe Masego, Toba Hlophe.
Maphoyisa bebasihlanu bayangibikela ukuthi uyangibikela Masango ukuthi lona lomunye uvele usuke emagonso unele ngekubona umonakalo lapha ngesheya uvele waqolosha washiya umsebenzi kwabonakala ukuthi akahamba ukwenda umsebenzi lafanele awusebenze lokuhle nako lokho kepha ke namuhla bosihlanu noma laya alemsebenzini usemkhathini walaba sengibabusisile kubabo Assistant National Commissioner inkosi babusisi.
Police, today I am blessing 5 Assistant National Commissioners, but I have been informed by the National Commissioner that one of them has gone to the other duties, as we have seen from afar, that there was a certain situation and has gone and taken a new assignment to make sure that that situation is brought under control, which is commendable, police officers.
Maphoyisa niba ngihamba nyendi kakhulu lengibabusisako namuhla ngibone ukuthi ndawufika lapho sengidawuthi nangibuya njalo neminyaka endodako ngiba neminyaka endodako ukhona maphoyisa sengiyawubuya phindze njalo ngimemedele labo lengibamemetele ukuthi namuhla senginikile kuqinisa wona umbutho wemaphoyisa ukuthi nawusebenta ubonakala ukuthi onke ama rank nema structures la kubuke yona iforce yemaphoyisa ikhone kusebenta kahle emaphoyisa.
Police, this marks the end of my announcements in terms of new positions. I thank God, and I hope that maybe next year I will be calling others. But for now, this marks the end. These gaps that have been filled are there to continue to strengthen all ranks and the structures within the police organization so that it is able to carry out their duties with continuous effectiveness and efficiency and maintaining peace in the country, police officers.
Sengathatha sithuba sekubonga nonke maphoyisa elangeni lanamuhla lilanga lelihle nasakhele labalihle nanikhombisa onke lama displays lenwendile ngekuhlukahlukana emabutho la performile lapha akhombisile kuqeqeshwa impela wakhombisa nesibinzi lesenidevelopile maphoyisa ukuthi noma ngawumlilo unjani niyakhona niphuma ngetidududu ningesabi ukuthi le dududu kwendeka sibhome noma kwendeka kwendekene konke lokho sekukhomba umdlandla nemfutho lenifakako nimaphoyisa kuyento lenikwendile sithumisa wonke umsebenzi lomuhle nendelilanga lelihle tonke netihlobo letikhona titonibukela nelive lonke liyajabula ngemsebenzi lenwendako maphoyisa.
Police, we would like to applaud you on your performance today as you demonstrated and displayed radiant and stunning displays which showed courage and discipline and continue to show us that you are indeed ready and able to carry out all your duties. We would like to thank your family and loved ones that are here today to support you and the entire nation to see that you are indeed ready for the duties that are put upon you, police.
Maphoyisa sekusala ukuthi ngithathe lithuba kubonga netetfulo tonke lentethulile le tifaka nekhathi tithulo letibonalisa ukuthi indlovukazi nayo iyobha nabogogo nabomkhulu konke lokho sisasibonge kakhulu ngeke ukuthi kwanze maphoyisa.
Police would like to thank all the gifts that you have presented to me today and also the gifts towards the Indlovukazi in the Philani Maswati organization to help to continue to assist the elderly in the country. I thank you, my police officers.
Se kungaba konfisela lilanga lelihle usachubeka lilanga lemaphoyisa siyabonga sonke uNkulunkulu uyasibusisa sonke bekunene.
Bayethe wena waphakathi. Nkosi.
Wina ke mkhongo welanga kangwane ingane ilanga liphume etsheni lapha ekhaya kaNkosikati tingabisa tekhane tsafeta gijima tawutekela boni emakhaya una labaphume base badlula nangato tikhala temaguma akube kuhle ebhube emhlaba wina waphakathi bayethe